Hi boys and girls, this is Rob here. Let's test this bird and see what's up. Just did some major repair work and testing, so let's see what's going on, see how it's going. Hey boys and girls, let's try it.
Normal. Hold. Normal. Hold. Normal. Hold. Normal. Hold. Normal. Hold. Normal.
It needs to initialize again. Dead gum fiberless thing. There we go. Try it again, boys and girls. What's up? How you doing? Good, good. Blade 360 after some major repair. Don't have stability mode. I flew it in the wind and it didn't have success. Here's a 360, flying pretty smooth. Little windy. Not too bad, she's flying pretty smooth. Pretty stable. See. You have to keep her going, it's windy. Not as windy as that field. Windy. Got this one back in the air. It's good, just a test flight. Nothing major. Maybe a few orientations. No stability mode. You go this way, it's gonna go that way. This way. It's a little mild flight, just a test. Looks like it's smooth. I'm happy with it. Now we'll learn a little bit. It's a little gusty. Don't want to wreck it. I just built it again. Did some servo change. What else? Definitely servo change. I think I replaced the blades. I had a windy, really gusty day and it took a hard nosedive, so it busted the servo. Recalibrated, set up the swash a little bit, replaced the links. She's flying smooth, baby. Doing pretty good. No stability mode. Just a little hover around the yard. A little orientation. Smooth bird, man. When it's set up right, this flies smooth. It's been a while since I flew, so I'm just getting going again. Side. Smooth transitions. Little windy, gusty sometimes. Got a little helipad. See if I can land it on that sucker. Just get the bugs out, get the cobwebs out so if I can fly. No stability mode, so she don't level. Almost got her away from her a little bit. Slow movements. Nothing crazy. Little, probably 10-minute flight, 8-minute flight. Not too crazy, just a little bit. Get my flying in. Not close to it at all. See how smooth I can get her. Gusty, lower it down. A little bit of a takeoff.
Normal.
This is like she's doing not too bad. 8 minutes. Try it a little bit longer. Takeoff smooth, not wobbly. Swash is good. She's smooth, man. Belt driven. 8 minutes. I'm gonna kill this battery. See, I have a good smooth. In about 8 minutes, so let me kill this. If I can land on the helipad clean. Coming in for landing. Boom, baby. Not bad. She did pretty good. No crashes, one piece, one battery. Thanks for watching.